Welcome to the product assembly guide for your new HI Plus powered by Honda HTP Sprayer, model number HTP160F. In this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step, so you can quickly and easily get your sprayer ready for use. So, let's begin. Frame assembly. We'll start with the frame assembly. Place the frame base on a flat surface and align the handle rails on both ends. Turn the frame upside down to place the rubberized base stands and tighten them firmly. These stands ensure stability during operation. Insert all the bolts and lock nuts into their respective positions on the frame to hold the handle rails firmly. Tighten all 8 bolts and lock nuts. The lock nuts prevent loosening due to vibrations during use. That's it for the frame assembly. Pump assembly. Next, let's assemble the sprayer pump. Take the pump out of the box. Inside, you'll find the pump, a pressure gauge, a big pulley, and a small pulley. Begin the pump subassembly. Open the stainless steel high-pressure chamber. Use Teflon tape to tighten the pressure gauge first. And then tighten the stainless steel chamber again. Place the pump on the higher side of the frame and secure it using the nuts and bolts provided in your kit. Tighten the nuts and bolts properly. Adjust the pump horizontally using its built-in adjustment feature for proper alignment and appropriate tension on the belt. To install the big pulley on the sprayer pump, first open the bolt and key on the pump. Align the lock and pulley grooves with the sprayer pump shaft. Use a mallet to gently tap on the lock and pulley into place. Finally, tighten the bolt, washer, and big pulley nut securely. And that's how you assemble the pump. Engine assembly. Now, let's assemble the engine. Place the engine onto the lower side of the frame. Use the nuts and bolts from the kit to firmly attach the engine to the frame. Make sure it's snug and properly tightened for ideal operation. Open the nut and key from the engine so that the small pulley can be installed. Attach the small pulley to the engine shaft and tighten it using an Allen key. With that, your engine assembly is complete. Belt assembly. The final step is to assemble the belts. Take the 2 belts out of the kit. Before installing the belts, check the alignment of the small and big pulleys using a thread. Adjust the alignment by gently pushing or pulling the engine until the pulleys are perfectly aligned. Place the first belt over the small pulley in the inside groove and then onto the big pulley. Roll the big pulley backward to secure the belt. Ensure the belt is tight to prevent slippage during operation. Repeat the same process for the second belt. Your belt assembly is now complete. Congratulations! Your HI Plus powered by Honda HTP Sprayer, model HTP160F is now fully assembled and ready to use. Follow these simple steps, and you'll have a durable and powerful HTP sprayer from HI Plus. Thank you for choosing HI Plus. Honda for all, to empower all.